So it's Wednesday morning and we are getting snow. And look at all the birds, the little grosbeaks. They're trying to get their meal in before the snow gets any heavier. But they're just so beautiful, especially with the snow behind them. I came out around 6 a.m. and fed them. Filled everybody's feeders up because I knew that we were supposed to get snow today. Jim is still in the bed. And I've got Connor here below my feet. And he's watching also. Although he's watching squirrels and everything else that's running around. But I just wanted to share this little piece of paradise again, so that everybody can enjoy it as much as we are. Everyone have a wonderful Wednesday.